The pain started pretty suddenly and became severe right away, bone on bone. I had a very good experience with Hope Orthopedics. I went in at 5:30 in the morning, came out at 2 o'clock in my home, and was on the road to recovery within days. I have always been a very athletic woman. I mean, I've run 3 marathons. I've run probably 20 half marathons. I would say a few years back it started with just some quad pain and I blew it off. It's not my hips. And then all of a sudden it was my hip and it came on within like a month's period of time. There was no more smile. There was no more like fun life. And there was no amount of physical therapy or pain medication that was going to help that. I think that Hope Orthopedics has done surgeries and they're efficient at it and they know what they're doing. So it's a fine-tuned machine. At the same time, they will help you with your individual needs. So they're not a machine in that process. Having the precise robotic equipment and making sure that it's done right and it's down to a science made me feel very secure in my procedure. It's not when things are going great, yeah. It's when things go wrong that they're there for you too. I had a problem with my medications, and it was so easy to call up on the phone and get somebody to answer immediately, and I felt like my needs were met immediately. Like I didn't just have surgery and they dropped the ball. That ball was carried all the way through to the very end. One of the things that Dr. Dolan told me was all you have to do is walk. Just get out there and walk. And so I literally listened to that. I was out walking all the time. First with my walker, then with my cane, and I'm happy to say that I'm walking anywhere from 5 to 7, 8 miles at least 3 times a week. It's a gratefulness that overcomes you, and my friend calls it the joy of the hip, of being able to do things. So having the surgery was life-altering for me. It took me from severe pain and not being able to do the activities I wanted to do to people being in awe of what I can do now.